Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. I hope you all can hear me and see me clearly. आप comments में बता सकते हैं अगर आपको मेरी आवाज clearly नहीं आ रही तो. Hello, everyone. Thanks for the confirmation. Hello. Hi. काफी सारे queries आ रहे हैं. We will take them up. Let's just have our expert join in first. Sir, आप trading करते हो क्या? Binay ji, I won't be answering that. That is a personal question. Hello, hi. Good afternoon, sir. I hope you can hear me.
Yeah, Anuj. Hi. Very good afternoon, guys.
Good afternoon, everyone. So I guess we are all set. Let's start the session officially. Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. My name is Anuj Sharma. I am the community manager at Motilal Oswal. Along with me today, we have our expert Arpit Beriwal, sir. He is our Bank Nifty expert, and he has been part of Chandan Sir's team for almost around 4 to 5 years. And let's hope कि आज हमारा profit हो just like yesterday and the morning session. So Arpit sir, we are all set. Welcome. And Binay ji, you can reach out to query@motilaloswal.com if you have any issues. And also, I'll get this checked by our team today. So over to you, Arpit sir. You can start with the levels and strikes, and then we are good to go.
So very good afternoon, guys. My voice is audible?
Yes, sir. You are clearly audible. You are clearly visible, and we can see your screen as well.
Great. So very good afternoon, guys. Welcome to Bank Nifty expiry play. So Nifty, Bank Nifty, both are record highs. Since yesterday, we have seen a strong momentum. Bank Nifty में एक अच्छा momentum देखा कल से. Almost we've seen a rally of almost 1500 points.
It seems there is some network issue at Arpit sir's end. Just give us a minute. We will get it checked. रोहित जी, एमओराइज जो है हमारा वो धीरे धीरे करके सबके लिए रोल आउट हो रहा है. यू विल गेट एक्सेस टू एमओराइज ऐप सून. नो नीड टू वरी. There was a network glitch. That's why there is a drop from Arpit sir's end. We just need a. Yes, sir. We can see you now. विशाल जी, हमारा आफ्टरनून सेशन स्टॉक्स के अराउंड फोकस नहीं करता, ऑप्शंस के अराउंड करता है, इसलिए हम आफ्टरनून सेशन में स्टॉक्स की बातें बहुत कम करते हैं. टाइम मिलने पे भी टेक अप स्टॉक क्वेरीज. मॉर्निंग सेशन हमारा स्टॉक्स के अराउंड.
Just a second, Anuj. Just to interrupt, is it now audible or visible?
Yes, sir. You are now audible and visible.
Okay, so there was some technical glitch, I think. The screen is visible, right?
Yes, it is visible.
Okay, great. So coming back to focus on Bank Nifty to is Bank Nifty expiry. So पहले हम बात करेंगे Bank Nifty के levels के बारे में, फिर हम Nifty के बारे में भी बात करेंगे. So Bank Nifty is trading at life high territories 52,900. Intraday support for intraday chart, if you see 50 to 700, 750, 50 to 750 to 800 support zone है. पिछले 1.5 घंटे से एक रेंज में ट्रेड कर रहा है. नीचे 50 to 800 सपोर्ट है, ऊपर 50 to 950 रेजिस्टेंस है एंड उसी रेंज बैंड में कर रहा है. बट अच्छी बात ये है, इट इज होल्डिंग एट हाई लेवल्स बिकॉज यू हैव सीन गुड मूवमेंट इन कोटक बैंक, एक्सिस बैंक, सम फॉलो बाइंग इन एसबीआई. सो इमीडिएट बेसिस पे बैंक निफ्टी हमारा बायस पॉजिटिव है. जब तक 50 to 750 स्पॉट लेवल्स के ऊपर बैंक निफ्टी रहता है, हमारा बाइंग स्टैंस ही रहेगा. So for this and the same time upside with 53,000 and 53,150 is the hurdle zone. So from past 1.5 hour, Bank Nifty is in a range. 50 to 750 is the support zone. Upper band में 53,000 and then 53,150 is the hurdle level. So ये bias positive को play करने के लिए हम as of now 2 strikes को track कर रहे हैं. In fact, one of the strikes that we are tracking right now is 50 to 800. So I'll repeat, Bank Nifty 50 to 800 call we are tracking. Right now it is quoting near 130, 140 levels. इसी के साथ एक और स्ट्राइक जो हम देख रहे हैं 50 to 900. So these 2 strikes we are tracking for Bank Nifty, keeping in mind 50 to 750, 50 to 800 एक सपोर्ट जोन है. अपर बैंड में 53,000 एक साइकोलॉजिकल लेवल भी है और ओआई डेटा भी है जिसकी वजह से राइटिंग खड़ी है. वो निकलते ही हमें 100 पॉइंट का मूव दिख सकता है. So as of now we are tracking these two strikes, 50 to 800 and 50 to 900 strikes we are tracking. 50 to 800 का कॉल अभी चल रहा है 143 144 के अराउंड. 50 to 900 का कॉल चल रहा है around 64 levels. So these are the two strikes that we are tracking. Levels we have updated, strikes we have updated. Now talking about Nifty. So Nifty is also in blue sky zone at life highs. Continuously strong momentum at Reliance lead कर रहा है. Bharti, Reliance, Kotak. So all the heavyweights are leading from the front. जिसके वजह से we are seeing very strong momentum in indices. So Nifty immediate support is near 23,750 levels. Upside में 24,000 हम काफी टाइम से बोल रहे थे. इस बार 24 में 24,000 Nifty and we are just 130 points away from 24,000 marks. So that is the beauty. And as we see, so perfectly market is holding well. Strong momentum is seen. Nifty में immediate support है 23,750 का. Upper band में 24,000 is the level, then 24 high levels. Bank Nifty if we talk about, Bank Nifty में हमने levels बोले हैं 52,750, 52,800 is the support zone. ऊपर में 53,000 and then 53,100 is the resistance zone. So as of now we are updated which strike to put on radar. 52,800 call and 52,900 call. These two strikes are on radar. हम वेट करेंगे, अगर कोई डिप आता है या सेटअप बनता है तो हम अपडेट करेंगे. पिछले ऑलमोस्ट 12-15 से अगर आप देखोगे पिछले 2 घंटे का चार्ट, सो बैंक निफ्टी 100 पॉइंट की रेंज में ही है. या तो हम थोड़ा डिप पे अटेंड करेंगे जिसकी वजह से रिस्क रिवॉर्ड फेवरेबल हो, और या तो अगर ब्रेकआउट होता है तो वी कैन सी द मोमेंटम ट्रेंड. सो विल अपडेट कि कैसे उसको प्ले आउट करना है. इन द मीन टाइम काफी अच्छा ब्रॉडर मार्केट में मोमेंटम है. So we can take few stock queries also, and we'll also share BTST ideas as a session progresses. So Anuj, we can take a couple of stock queries, then we'll share the BTST ideas, and then we can revisit the banking levels.
Sure, sir. I guess I can see the first question about Hudco and JSW Steel. So we can start with Hudco.
So Hudco has been a preferred pick and very strong move also we have seen since morning today. Bigger trend is positive. आज हमने अच्छा uptick देखा from 275 odd levels towards 284, 290 levels. So positionally, more momentum to be seen about 295 levels, but image basis पे भी 275 के stoppers रख के हमें 290, 295 तक मूव दिख सकता है. So continue to hold. अगर fresh ऐड करना है, so हमारा एडवाइस रहेगा 292 की क्लोजिंग के ऊपर ही fresh ऐड करने की सलाह रहेगी. इसके साथ आपने JSW Steel बोला, right?
Yes, sir. JSW Steel buying at 944.
944. So if I see JSW Steel, overall metal stocks and overall uptrend, but if you see from past couple of days एक sideways हो गया है, and immediate basis 910 is the major support for JSW Steel. So 910 is the immediate support. On the upper band 930, 940 is the resistance zone. So 910 एक support zone है. तब तक 910 के ऊपर है, तब तक bias positive ही रहेगा. So continue to hold, but momentum missing है. So we have to wait कि reversal आए तभी एक aggressive position ले सकते हैं.
Guys, अभी हमने ट्रेड नहीं दिया है. We have shared the strikes 52,800 call and 52,900 call, and we are going to use both the languages, English and Hindi, so it's easy for everyone to understand. We have not initiated any trade as of now.
Yeah, so just talking about on the similar lines itself. तो अगर बैंक निफ्टी का हम चार्ट देखें, तो हमने लेवल्स मेंशन किए हैं, जो सपोर्ट जोन है, स्ट्राइक्स कौन से रडार पे है वो मेंशन किया है. बिकॉज फ्रॉम पास्ट ऑलमोस्ट 2 आवर्स एक रेंज में है. So still we are tracking and देख रहे कि कौन सा ट्रेड या कौन से स्ट्राइक पे फेवरेबल रिस्क हो सकता है. For 50 to 800 अभी भी 145 149 चल रहा है. So अगर मैं इसको डीप डाइव करूं और चार्ट देखे, so इमीडिएट इसका सपोर्ट लेवल अराउंड आता है अराउंड 100 लेवल्स का. बट एज ऑफ नाउ चार्ट सेटअप वाइज कोई मेजर चेंज नहीं हुआ है. सो हम वेट कर रहे हैं कि थोड़ा सा अगर डिप आता है तो थोड़ा कंफर्ट रहेगा ट्रेड में. सो 50 to 800 कॉल वी आर ट्रैकिंग. अगेन आई रिपीट, बैंक निफ्टी 50 to 750, 50 to 800 is the support zone. Upper band में 53,000, 53,100 is the resistance zone. And अभी exactly it is trading in between. So that's why we are waiting. या तो थोड़ा सा cool off हो, so हमें थोड़ा comfort मिले, और या तो अगर momentum built up होता है, so we can go on the breakout side. So we are closely tracking. Definitely will update 50 to 800 call के levels कौन से level पे entry कर सकते हैं. So guys, be patient. Definitely will try to give our best trades from our side. Yeah, Anuj.
Shashi ji, right now we are not giving any intraday. We will give a BTST at the end of the session, but right now we are not giving any intraday trade. Next, sir, we have Masdog 15 at 1481.
Masdog. So I think this rally has been dominated by defense stocks altogether. Strong rally you have seen in across defense stocks, Masdog, GRSC, Cochin, and all the shipbuilding defense stocks. So if you see structure, आप buying price क्या Badhao का?
Sorry sir,
Buying price क्या है Badhao?
1481.
Okay, 1481.
Yes.
Okay, that's really nice. Stock is at lifetime highs and it's in a fresh breakout देखा है 3600 के ऊपर. So I would advise continue to hold the stock. जब तक 3600 के ऊपर है तब तक buys would be positive. Very strong chart structure on a monthly scale. So continue to hold the stock with keeping stop loss of 36. Immediate basis में 3800 would be a immediate support level.
Sir, Geo Finance bought at 355. 1 month view.
Yeah. So now talking about GeoFin, if I see stock is stuck in a range. From past almost couple of weeks try कर रहा है breakout के लिए, but एक range में फंसा हुआ है. नीचे 345 का सपोर्ट है, ऊपर 365 का रेजिस्टेंस है. सो जब तक ये रेंज में है तब तक ये रेंज बाउंड काउंटर ही रहेगा. ओवरऑल बिगर ट्रेंड पॉजिटिव है, सो बायस पॉजिटिव है, बट मोमेंटम मिसिंग है जिसके वजह से एक फंसा हुआ है. सो 345 का सपोर्ट है, ऊपर 365 का रेजिस्टेंस है. नाउ जस्ट कमिंग टू बैक टू बैंक निफ्टी, आई जस्ट रिविजिट कि क्या उसमें हो रहा है. एंड हम अगर इंट्राडे चार्ट भी देखें, I think Anuj, screen is visible to you guys, right?
Yes sir, we can see your Falcon screen.
Perfect. So अगर आप intraday chart देखोगे, this is Bank Nifty 15-minute chart, and almost from last 2.5 hours, Bank Nifty is moved in a range of 150 points. नीचे 800 का सपोर्ट लिया है, ऊपर 50 to 950 का हर्डल लिया है. एंड जब ये आप बार बार देखते हो तो आपका भी कन्विक्शन स्ट्रांग होता है कि हमें ट्रेड किस सेटअप पे लेना है. दैट्स व्हाई वी वेटिंग. एंड 120 पॉइंट्स की एक रेंज है. 50 to 800 कॉल वी आर ट्रैकिंग. 135 140 अभी चल रहा है. 15 मिनट पे अगर देखें तो लोअर हाइस बना रहा है. एज अपना कोई मेजर रिवर्सल नहीं है. एज सुन एज इफ वी सी एनी मोमेंटम इज देयर, विल अपडेट. इन द मीन टाइम 140 is the price that is going for 50 to 800 call. Also monthly expiry है, so generally we see a good swings at later part of the day, so definitely we'll try to capitalize जो भी momentum रहेगा. As of now it is trading, it is consolidating. Still if I look at the setup, on the downside 100 का एक major support है immediate basis पे, and then 80 on the upside. Hurdle is around 200 levels, so ये range है. So what we can do is I would suggest 50 to 800 call. I think the buying zone would be favorably between around, if I see, we can buy in the zone of around 140 to 150, 135 to 140 zone. I'll repeat, 50 to 800 call, 135 140 की zone में buy कर सकते हैं. 50 to 800 call, I'll repeat, 135 to 140, keeping stop loss of 90 for an upside move towards 200 220 level. So Anuj, I've shared the Bank Nifty levels. The call strike 50 to 800 का 135 से 140 के रेंज में हमारी बाई की सलाह रहेगी. 90 रुपए का स्टॉप लॉस रखे, ऊपर 200 220 के टारगेट के.
Yes sir, and we have shared it in the comment section as well. You can see Prashant sir and Avinash sir both are hyperactive to help you all in the chat.
Also, that's why we have suggested this strike, because it's in the money and the probability of the movement could be higher if we play with this strike. So as of now, Bank Nifty strike we have updated. Also, one of the BTST that we have shared is BSC. So BSC also from past couple of days we have seen a correction in the stock, but एक major support zone की तरफ से घूम रहा है. So BSC हमारा BTST आइडिया है 2500 का स्टॉप लॉस रख के ऊपर 2620 2650 के लिए BSC को हमारी बाय की सलाह रहेगी. दैट इज द फर्स्ट BTST ट्रेड. And we'll be closely watching Bank Nifty also. So if you can see the chart also, almost past 13 candles it is in a range. अभी 50 to 800 का कॉल जो है 143 144 के अराउंड ही चल रहा है. And Bank Nifty spot is also around 930 935 levels. हमारी बाइंग जोन है 135 से 140 की रेंज में, ये ध्यान रखिए. टारगेट स्टॉप लॉस रहेगा 90, अपसाइड में 200 220 प्लस लेवल्स के लिए. So this is the trade that we have initiated. We'll wait कि डिप आएगा तो बेटर रहेगा, तो आपको थोड़ा कंफर्ट रहेगा ट्रेड में. Also good momentum is seen across selective cement stocks. So likewise if I see certain positional ideas, so Grasim and Ultratech are good preferred pick within the cement pack and looks good from positional perspective. So 3 से 4% की रैली दिख सकती है हमें Grasim और Ultratech के overall space में. Apart from that also private bank has seen a spectacular rally, especially ICICI Bank, Axis Bank. So इनमें भी अच्छा momentum है. Also, in the meantime, we can take a couple of stock queries, Anuj, and then definitely we can revisit the Bank Nifty levels.
Sir, it will be great if you can repeat the BTST ones. Actually, I was just answering some queries. So
No worries. So BTST we have flash on terminal also. BSC. So BSC overall, if we see the chart structure wise from past couple of days, it was in downtrend. But नीचे एक अच्छी रिवर्सल हमने देखा है 2500 के अराउंड और नीचे से अच्छी रिकवरी देखी है. सो BSC 2540 चल रहा है अभी. 2500 का स्टॉपर्स रख के ऊपर 2600 2625 के लिए फर्स्ट BTST आइडिया वी हैव शेयर. We have flashed on terminal also. I hope now it must be clear.
yes, sir, it is clear now. Guys, we have shared one trade, Bank Nifty 52 800 call. We have not given 59,000. Someone was asking, I'm not sure why, but 52 800 call is the trade which we have given.
Just to add, it will not be 59, it will be 53,000, I think.
Just give me a second. Yes, sorry, 53,000.
Yeah.
Yeah. So guys, Khushbu ji, we have not initiated that trade. So please ensure कि आप वो trade follow करें जो हमारे experts ने share किया है. And apart from that, we have given one BTST BSC that is already marked in the comment section. आप check कर सकते हैं. And I guess next we can go with India Siemens.
Yeah. So if I see India Siemens, we have seen a very sharp up move today. Almost the stock is up by 15%. So if I see the chart also, it is now near its major level of 270 zones. So that is a major supply zone. अगर किसी ने position पहले ली हुई है, so we would advise to book profit at current level. 270 spot levels के ऊपर ही fresh momentum की हमारी सलाह रहेगी for 290 plus. So current level पे हमारी book करने की सलाह रहेगी क्योंकि stock ने अच्छा खासा up move देखा है.
So Tata Motors bought at 950.
If I see overall Tata Motors, तो Tata Motors का भी overall एक range में है. नीचे 925 से लेके ऊपर 1000 का एक zone है. Momentum missing है. Positionally setup बहुत अच्छा है, but immediate basis में momentum missing है, जिसके वजह से counter एक range में फंसा हुआ है. So 920 एक major support है. ऊपर में 975, 980 hurdle है. So ये range bound counter है with positive bias.
So next, if you can share a view on R Infra.
So definitely such stocks generally see strong rally whenever the broader market outperform. And if I just see the chart, R Infra, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so R Infra, if you see some topping out is in near 220 levels, and I think थोड़ा सा dip आ सकता है 195, 198 तक का. So I would advise 195 would be a good what do you say, the demand zone. 195 के अराउंड आप बाय कर सकते हैं. 190 का स्टॉप लॉस रखिए, ऊपर 210 215 रखिए.
So can you please share your view on PNB Gills?
Yeah, so PNB Gills, I think yesterday also we played a very sharp move was seen, and we played out in the system as well, and we flashed also. So a very strong chart setup on monthly and weekly scale. Weekly you have seen a pole and flag breakout almost after 20 weeks. 135 के ऊपर एक रेंज ब्रेकआउट देखा है अच्छे वॉल्यूम्स के साथ. सो पोजिशनली अच्छी रैली देखी है. सो इमीडिएट बेसिस पे स्टॉक काफी स्ट्रांग है. 128 का सपोर्ट है. ऊपर में धीरे धीरे 142 150 तक का जा सकता है.
So guys, I guess हमारा buying price trigger हो गया है. So I hope everybody have entered in the trade which we suggested. So next,
just to add, yeah. So Anuj, as you have mentioned, the buying has been triggered for the Bank Nifty call. Yeah, you can continue.
Yes. So next is GT and D.
GT,
GET and D.
Okay, I'll just check.
The symbol and.
Yeah, I got it. Just a second. So the stock is in continuously uptrend. Monthly scale काफी strong है. Weekly भी काफी strong है. Daily scale पे consolidate कर रहा है, but buy is बहुत strong है. Setup 1440 एक major support है. जब तक इसके ऊपर है, buys would be strong for towards 1620 1650 levels. Continue to hold the stock, keeping stop loss of 1450. Overall trend of the stock is very strong. Just to give one update, Bank Nifty, the buying zone has been triggered, and from 135 140 levels it has moved to 150 levels. So I hope trade initiate हुआ है, and it is still open in our system. Will update अगर कोई भी बड़ा move आता है, so definitely will update on the strike itself. Yeah. So BTST we have shared BSC. Apart from that, Hudco is also looking quite good. Cement packing and Grasim Ultratech are looking good for delivery ideas. And also in the meantime, we can take a couple of more stock queries, Anuj, and then as we can proceed, we'll update.
सतीश मिस्त्री जी ने ऑलरेडी प्रॉफिट बुक कर लिया है, विशाल जी ने भी बुक कर लिया है. So that's great कि आप लोग
profit really nice to play it out. That's really nice.
So next you have Voltas.
Voltas. So I think as summer has finally cooled off from past couple of weeks, but the stock is still in strong momentum at life high territory. Setup काफी strong है. Immediate support है उसका 1440. Weekly scale पे थोड़ा सा pause लिया है, but setup wise काफी strong है. Slowly steadily we can head towards 1600 1650 plus levels. So bias is positive with key support of 1440 levels.
Congratulations Srinivas ji, आपने 9K बनाए. That's really great. So next is Mahindra and Mahindra.
M&M. So M&M is the preferred pick within the auto pack. Classical outperformance we have seen in entire auto pack, especially in M&M. Monthly, weekly is very strong. Daily scale we have some sideways, but the bigger trend is positive. So immediate basis 2750, 2680 is the major support zone. Bias would be positive. 2780 जब तक इसके ऊपर है तब तक bias positive रहेगा for M&M, and slowly steadily we can head towards 3000 plus levels.
सर आप मैसेजेस तो नहीं देख पा रहे होंगे. वी आर गेटिंग सम कमेंट्स. इमरान जी ने 28.7 के प्रॉफिट, कौशल जी का 1.5, बिनोय जी का 4.5. दैट्स रियली गुड. पवन जी पूछ रहे हैं कि प्रॉफिट बुक कर ले या शुड वी होल्ड?
No, definitely we can book profits because option buying में profit book करना बहुत important है. That is the best part. वापस opportunity मिला, वापस play out कर सकते हैं, but important है कि आप profits book करें because that is where the trading is all about. Managing risk, especially option buying, and that too expiry trades. That is all about the market dynamics. So keep booking profits, guys. That's really wonderful. Yesterday we had a fantastic Nifty expiry, also good momentum. Today is Bank Nifty. Tomorrow we have Nifty. So profits are key. Keep booking profits. Just आपका momentum रहे.
Sir, we have a question on Nifty. Can we take that up, or shall we focus on stocks?
No, definitely we can take up a question on Nifty also. If it's regarding, definitely we are here to guide you. Definitely.
So can I hold Nifty 23,800 call which I bought at 130?
Okay, so but right now I don't know what is the price going on, right?
Yeah.
What is the price that you have bought it?
Sir, 130, 130.
Okay, so if I see, so it's better to book if either you can do one thing, you can keep a closing basis stop loss for 80 levels. अगर 80 के नीचे जाता है तो आपको exit करने की सलाह रहेगी निफ्टी के कॉल में, because option buying is all about momentum, so we have to play that momentum swing itself.
धवल जी, अभिषेक जी अगेन से आप लिख रहे हैं कि वेयर इज प्रॉफिट, अभी लॉस हो रहा है. सो पीपल मेड एंट्री एट 135 एंड 134 एंड इट मेड अ हाई ऑफ अराउंड 149 150. तो लोगों ने ऑलरेडी वहां पे खुद से चर्न कर लिया एंड दे हैव बुक. कुछ लोगों ने पार्शियल प्रॉफिट्स बुक किए, कुछ लोगों ने प्रॉफिट्स बुक किए. सर, वी हैव अ क्वेश्चन फॉर द पीपल हु हैव ऑलरेडी मेड सम प्रॉफिट. शुड वी टेक अ री-एंट्री?
No, so generally we suggest we should not take any re-entry. Now again, Bank Nifty seen a sharp up from 115 levels to 155. There is another sharp up to 157, 158, and this is the beauty of Bank Nifty expiry play. That's the reason we have suggested to buy on dips. So definitely there is no re-entry at current level. जो positions है आपकी, अगर नीचे के लेवल पे आपने buy किया हुआ है, book it. That's the best way to play the option trade plays. कोई भी re-entry है कि हम update करेंगे, but as of now this is the only trade that we have suggested. Right now the premium is 155, 52,800 call. नीचे up move गया, नीचे 116 से मार के 157, 158 sharp uptick of 40 points. So guys, book profits. That is the thing that we have suggested.
Guys, I know the target हमने 200 बोला था, but we also say this every time we give trade. जैसे आपको opportunity दिखे, please start booking partial profits or keep churning the profits. It's very important to save a capital also.
Yes, 171, 175 sharp up move. So definitely guys, book profits. 180. So very good uptick of 60 points you have seen in Bank Nifty. So guys, book profits, keep booking profits. There's no re-entry as of now.
Guys, no re-entry.
So just to add one more thing, Anuj, that is the reason that we suggest to go with the in the money strikes and on dips. So where we make sure the probability of going right is higher. And as we all, as experts, our main objective is that जो clients आ रहे हैं हमारे on board पे, we try to make the maximize potential for them. So obviously, certain times it works, certain times it doesn't. But option buying में हमें ध्यान रखना है, re-entry बार बार नहीं करना है, जो trade मिले वो clear play out करे. One more idea, just to add to fin, definitely some जियो कर रहे हैं नीचे 349 का स्टॉप लॉस रख के ऊपर 365 एंड निफ्टी ट्रेड दैट वी सजेस्ट 77 इट इज नियर डेज हाई. यस, हमारा फर्स्ट टारगेट था 200, बट डेफिनेटली आपको 25 से 30 पॉइंट का स्विंग मिला है एंड आई थिंक दैट इज स्टिल गुड इनफ. सो एटलीस्ट बुक प्रॉफिट्स. कुछ भी नया अपडेट रहेगा विल डेफिनेटली.
आई टोटली एग्री इमरान जी, अगर री एंट्री कर लिया होता तो आज गेम हो जाता. एंड यू हैव शेयर्ड विद, हमने देखा था कि हमने जैसे ही ट्रेड बुक किया उसके तुरंत बाद वी सॉ साफ फॉल इन इट, मार्केट करेक्शन, राइट. तो इसलिए इट्स बेटर टू बी सेफ रादर देन बीइंग सॉरी. इसलिए यू नो री एंट्री इज नॉट सजेस्टेड. काफी लोगों ने प्रॉफिट बुक किया. एंड यस सुनील जी, हमने पहले ही बोला था टू बुक पार्शियल प्रॉफिट्स. नाउ वी हैव इनिशिएटेड टू एग्जिट द ट्रेड एंड बुक द प्रॉफिट्स कंप्लीटली.
Yeah. So that's really important. Rightly said, Anuj. It's better to play as per the market setup wise. And also, having said that, I'll just revisit the levels. We are seeing a good closing also. Nifty also. So 23,750 is the immediate support for Nifty. On the upper end, 24,000, 24,100 with the hurdle level. Bank Nifty immediate support would be 52,750. On the upside, 53,000, 53,150 would be the resistance zone. So guys, अगर आपने पहले भी पोजीशंस ली है इंडेक्स में, इट्स बेटर टू बुक प्रॉफिट्स. वापस अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगी, वापस यू कैन प्ले इट आउट. स्टॉक्स में भी काफी अच्छा एक्शन है. टू BTST आइडियाज वी हैव शेयर्ड, BSC एंड जियोफिन. Anuj, what we can do is we can just take couple of more stock queries and then we can close it out accordingly.
Sure, sir. Hind Copper is one query I guess we can take.
Yeah. So I'll just check the chart structure of Hind Copper. So metal space has been over a mixed setup. Selective stocks are outperforming, selective underperforming. So Hind Copper का हम अगर weekly chart देखें, it is coming towards major breakout zone of 3,115, 320 levels. Daily pace पे कोई major reversal नहीं है, so हम avoid करेंगे as of now. किसी के पास hold करना अगर है already position, तो 315 के stop losses को hold करे. अपसाइड में 333 निकलता है तभी कोई fresh momentum रहेगा overall setup wise.
Sir, next we can take Sun Pharma.
Sun Pharma stocks slowly, steadily they have been moving higher. However, Sun Pharma has been dull. So पिछले काफी वीक से एक रेंज बाउंड काउंटर है, ऊपर में 1525, 1540, नीचे में 1460. So I think नीचे से थोड़ी रिकवरी देखी है. मंथली में हैमर बनाया है, तो डेफिनेटली देयर इज सम बाइंग इंटरेस्ट एट द लोअर लेवल्स. Slowly, steadily, the stock can head towards 1540, 1560 levels. We would advise 1530 के ऊपर ही fresh buy करने की सलाह रहेगी.
So I guess, sir, we won't take any stock query. Just an overview. So defense sector के बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे? We received this question couple of times.
Definitely. So I think defense overall as a space has been one of the biggest outperformers in last couple of months. And as we see the structure also, whether it's the HL, BL, Nasdaq, GRC, Cochin has seen a stupendous run also. Going forward also, we are quite bullish on the defense as a space or as a whole. So definitely what we suggest, you can go with the basket stocks. You can buy all the 4 to 5 basket of within the defense space. You can allocate 15% each and go hold for 3 to 6 months. So overall from a 6 months perspective also, we are quite bullish on the defense space. So better to play with 4 to 5 ideas within the defense pack. HL, BL is a preferred pick within the shipping space. GRC, Nasdaq are top pick. Definitely the stock is in strong trend. अच्छी rally भी देखी हमने. But going forward also we are quite bullish and continue to play this momentum.
So guys, that will be all. I can see more questions coming, but we can't take right now. So you can drop it on Stockholm. Our team would be happy to help. And so that will be all. Again, we had a profitable session. So considering this week, out of 6 sessions, हमारे 5 profit sessions रहे हैं and 1 no profit no loss रहा है. We hope हमारी ये streak continue हो. That will be all. Thanks a lot, Arpit sir, for joining in.